Hi friends, we are back with the Irish Crochet book. We are making motif number 32, as seen right here. The piece ends up looking like a really pretty 3D flower, as you can see there. It is made around padding cord, so I'm using this bright orange padding cord so you can see what I'm doing with this green overlay. We're using a 3mm crochet hook. Please like, comment and subscribe. This just helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. To start off with, we're going to go ahead, just secure our yarn. I secure it just by twisting it like this. Go ahead, chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch or single crochet into that first chain space there, like that. And we're going to drop 15 single crochets in the center space here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you get to the end, you are going to go ahead and just slip stitch into the first chain space like this. And this is our base. We now need to go ahead and attach our padding cord. So I tend to attach it just by placing my crochet hook through it like this and pulling my yarn through, and I've just chained one like this. We are now going to go ahead and single crochet on the padding cord. We're now going to go ahead and do a half double crochet. We're now going to drop 7 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we now need to come back down. So we're doing a half double crochet and we're doing a single crochet. And what we're going to do is we're going to skip one chain, go into the next chain and do a single crochet like that. We now need to chain 3 and slip stitch into that same chain there without using the padding cord. We're going to repeat this same thing all the way around until we've got 6 petals and 6 of these little things here. So I shall do another one with you. We're starting off with a single crochet, then we're going to do a half double crochet, then we're going to do 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and then we're going to skip a chain, slip stitch into the base like this. We're going to chain 3, slip stitch back into that same chain like that, and we should have something that looks like this. So I'm going to finish the remaining petals off camera. I'm following this exact pattern, and I'm going to meet you when I get back here to show you the final result. Ta-da! This is what the final piece looks like. I think this is so pretty. These little chain 3 spaces add such pretty dimension to the flower. This is what it looks like. To finish up with, we're going to go ahead, snip our yarn and our padding cord, grab a darning needle and weave it through our work. I'm not going to do that because I'm only using this, I'm only making this piece rather for demonstration purposes. I hope this video was helpful for you. Motif number 34, no. Motif number 33, will be up and out in due course. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.